All right. I got my 15. And he didn't clamp it with nothing. He just muscled it. It's not very tight. Nip that down like that. And you pull this back like this. Then he took this clip out here. He used a screwdriver to pull that out. Under pressure, guys. So it's a spring. Cool. Then after he did that, he said there was a little lip on there. I don't see no lip. I don't feel no lip. Y'all better do what he said, because this transmission is practically new. Practically brand new. It's then he didn't quite take that all the way out. So it feels like there is a you know, that's what it feels like. So I'm gonna go get something, not to just file that down, but I'm going to sand that down. Be right back.